Would you still love me if I had no money and status?
Would I start a relationship with you from the beginning if you had no money? The answer is no. I would not date somebody with no money. But
you know who that is?
It's my girlfriend.
That's your girlfriend?
Okay.
Really?
Yes, sir.
That's your girlfriend, Mary. Is this your boyfriend?
He knows her by her name.
Do you want to tell him anything? Is there anything you want to tell him?
I know.
Sir, be as nice as I possibly can. This is actually my wife.
What?
We've been together for 10 years. We have 2 kids. And you over here calling her your girlfriend?
He has no idea.
How long have y'all been together? Okay, man. I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna be a nice guy today. I need you to just get the hell out of here. Usually people go to jail for driving this crazy, this fast. No, it's okay, man. You're good. I just need you to get out of here, drive off. I don't want to see you again, or else I will give you a ticket.
Sorry about that.
No, it's okay.
That's crazy. Unbelievable. What are the odds, man? Unbelievable.
Mary, how could you do this? Who is this random guy? You know we got kids.
I'm so sorry. I never thought this would have happened like this.
Wow, that's crazy. You never thought this would have happened?
I'll be honest.
What, $60,000 a year I was making not good enough for you? You rather go with this guy with a nice car?
It's more than that.
Wow.
It's unbelievable.
I really didn't think this was gonna happen today.
Okay, well,
It's going to happen eventually.
yeah, here's what we're gonna
Sorry.
do. No,
I'm so sorry.
don't be sorry. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna call your mom. I'm gonna have her come to our house, take out all the stuff. I'm taking the kids with me, and I literally never want to see you again.
Wow.
We're getting a divorce.
I know
That's
that's
it.
right.
And you can go be with that guy, whoever that guy is. You can be with that guy if you want.
He's not even like a full. He was just a friend. It was just
A friend.
It
He
wasn't
called you.
anything
He called you
serious.
his girlfriend.
It was
for 1
nothing
year.
serious.
For 1 year.
He
Oldest
doesn't
excuse
know.
in the book.
I'm not his girlfriend.
Wow.
But you and I, we have like real love.
Oh,
Real love.
really?
Sure. Well, all right, that's it. I'm just gonna go ahead and call your mom. She's gonna come get you. Or you can call an Uber, whatever you want to do. But yeah, I need you out of my house by the end of tonight. And yeah, I'm taking the kids.
Don't blame you, brother.
You fucking serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. Goodbye.
Wow. Talk about an unbelievable situation right there. I mean, he was just being a cop doing a routine traffic stop, and he comes and finds his wife in the car with another man, and she's cheating on him. That is unbelievable. What are the odds of that, family? I mean, they always say once a cheater, always a cheater. I mean, but hey, you know, eventually you're going to get caught one way or another, but that's a hell of a way to get caught.
He ghosted her. Still, she showed up uninvited. And with the officers there, she broke into his house. Some people think access is a right. Today, she learns it's a privilege.
Hello.
yeah, I talked to
We're here.
What's going on?
Is this a friend of yours?
No, not anymore. Hey, what are you doing? Hi, please.
You can't go into this apartment.
What's wrong with you? There's something seriously wrong with
Yeah, I know. Can I pee?
you. You can't be here.
Okay, well,
See, go figure it out. Yeah, you too. Go figure it out.
you go figure it out, bitch.
Well, you're not coming in here.
Okay, well, tell them I need to pee. I'll pee right here.
Hey. Now you are misbehaving.
Come here.
No.
Get out.
Don't fucking touch me!
Stand up.
I have to pee. I'm gonna pee.
purse, left in some? Okay, we'll deal with it. Thank you.
Sorry. I don't think you are. That was ridiculous.
How lucky we didn't get you for burglary.
Burglary?
Yeah.
He knew I was coming over. I had sex with him 2 days ago. Stop yelling or 2 days from you. Fine. Don't fucking cry, you fucking weirdo. Can you please call my mom?
Yeah, when you get to the door.
Now?
Yes, ma'am.
What am I doing?
Well, disorderly.
Manny,
Breach of
they're
peace.
sending me to jail.
Just give us a second. Whoop.
Stop! I said stop.
Take a seat.
No! Why are you being so weak?
You got it.
All right, gentlemen, here is a part that most people miss. When a man stops explaining himself and starts enforcing consequences, everything changes. No shouting, no emotional speeches, just action. The moment you protect your peace without apology, people who benefited from your access will call you cold. Let them. So remember, silence is powerful, but consequences are louder.
Hey, Jenna. Don't Michael me.
Where's Chloe and Sarah?
I called the babysitter and had her come over. What are you doing here?
What do you mean? I told you I was going out.
Yeah, you told me you're going to run to Target as an errand and you're stopping at the park. Care to explain?
Oh, it's not really how I wanted you to find out.
Jenna, I catfished you because I knew you had been cheating. So I made a new account and started texting you. Why do you think
Are you kidding me?
Why do you think I picked a park that's 5 minutes from the house?
Do that?
Jenna, you're cheating on me.
It's so insecure that you would do something like that.
You're taking my life away and you're taking your kid's life away for what? A single guy that was hot and ready to party?
Okay, but you're taking time out of my day now.
So you're turning this on me.
Yeah.
Here, you're forgetting your bag. No, you're not. Go. You can find a house. Get. Find somewhere else.
This man catfished his cheating wife and set up a perfect trap which she fell into woefully. And her consequences, she got thrown out and divorced.
Amor, espérate. Él es un amigo.